What is up, guys? So today I'm going to teach you how you can add captions to your videos using AI. And click on this tool to open it. Now when you're on the tool, click on products and then click on add subtitles, and then you can go over here to upload your file. So you can choose your file, open it. So this video, it has been uploaded. So if you want to add captions to this video, just go over here and select language, and then you can add captions. This has so these are the captions to this video. So let's take a look.
What is up, guys? It is the good of image generation tool. Because you want to generate an image, you come over here, choose an image. You can also choose some other images that you just created. So it's a really brilliant tool. You should check it out. Thank you.
You can go ahead and click download over here to download the video with the captions. To download your video, you'll be prompted to add your Apple account or your Google account, and then after you've added your Google account, then you can be able to download the video. Let me know what you think about the video and subscribe for the next video.